Welcome to the engineer's video tutorial section. In this video you are going to learn how to install Android software on your PC. For this you are going to need three things. Number one, you 4 GB USB. Number two, a Linux/USB creator software. And number three, an Android software ISO image file. To download Android software ISO file, visit www.android-x86.org. From this site you can download the software image file, and Google Linux/USB creator and you can download the software from the site. After downloading the software, open Linux/USB creator software. Here step number one is to choose a USB key. For me, here it is J. The light turns green that your selection is right. Now step number two says to choose a source. As we have an ISO image, so we will click this and select the Android ISO image file that we have already downloaded from the site. The light has turned green, which is a sign that step number two is also okay. Step number three is live mode. It's also green. And we have step number four, hide created files on key. Format the key in FAT32. That is necessary when you have some other files on their USB. Your USB should be clean. Enable launching Linux Live in window. Requires internet to install. Step number five is to, when all the lights have turned green, then step 5, and you have to click this, and this will start processing your request to create the USB as a bootable Android. Now the USB is ready, and we have to restart computer and then boot from the USB. Restarting computer, and now we will select to boot from USB. Now it will boot from USB, which contains the Android software. Here we have two options. We can run Android without installation, or we can install Android permanently on our PC. We are trying here, so we will use run Android without installation. It will start loading Android software. It says detecting Android x86. The Android software is now loading. The welcome screen. Adjust date and time. You can sign in your Google ID here, or you can do it later. Here it is, the Android desktop. So to check the Android version, we go here. Now we connect to the internet, turning the Wi-Fi on, connecting to the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is connected. We will now go to the Play Store. Sign in your Google ID here. And here we have our Play Store. So that we can download and run applications as we do on our mobiles and tablets. Subway Surfers, install. It is installing. Other applications